Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup rent rolls with Buildium. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Buildium and log in to your account. From the dashboard, navigate to the rent rolls section. Select the specific property you want to backup. Click on the Reports tab located in the top menu. Choose Custom Reports from the drop-down list. In the report settings, locate and select the rent roll report type. Customize the date range and any other filters as needed. Click the Generate Report button to create the report. Once the report is generated, review the information to ensure accuracy. To export the report, look for the Export button. Choose your preferred file format, such as Excel or PDF. Click on the Export option to download the report to your device. Once downloaded, locate the file in your device's Downloads folder. It's advisable to move the file to a secure backup location. Consider using cloud storage for additional safety. Rename the file to reflect the date and property for easy identification. Regularly update your backup to ensure data is current. That concludes the backup process for your rent rolls in Buildium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.